Hello guys, this is FX Mesh smashing it. What is going on, guys? I've got a beautiful opportunity here for GBPUSD. This is what happened in the news generated this strong impulse, and there's a correction here, and I'm waiting for a buy because a double bottom has been formed, a W shape. This hit this, came down, and I'm identifying a move to the upside to take a buy for the GBP USD. Okay, now how did I come about this analysis? Now normally I usually do break and retest, but what I've been working on for the past hours now has been adding confluences to take a more accurate trade. So what I've done is that first of all, I will explain that in my coming videos. First of all, what I've done is I'll just do a summary of what I've done here. I will first of all go to 4 hours time frame. Then I would put my I'll put my section break to identify the different days. So this is one of the session break. You can see this line, this broken line here. So this session break tells me that I'm starting on another new day. So I take 2 candlesticks. The first 2 candlesticks, I draw the highs and lows. So on the 4 hours time frame, I drew the high, and that's how I produce this line. I drew the low, and that's how I produce this line. So this is the highest level for the week for GBPUSD, and this is the lowest level for the week for GBPUSD. Then what I did was to draw my trend lines from 4 hours time frame. Then I draw psychological levels and identify psychological levels around, although you can't see it. Then I also try to see how the market reacts. So what has happened so far? Fast forward to now, the market has reacted. When I'm drawing my lines and my trend lines and all that, what I want to do before I can take a trade, I have to find a confluence of at least 3 confirmation to show that I'm about to enter a trade. Now you can see that the market has what? There was a news that happened here. So the market it shot to the downside, means USD gains strength against GBP. Then it tries to organize itself. To the charts. Wow. Take profit smashed. TP1 smashed. This TP is 76, I think it's around 76 pips, which is good. Just simple. The market experienced the fundamental news, and that's what led to this sharp fall to this point. Then the market stopped at the low of the week. So what I did was to allow the market to retest the low of the week again for me to go for a buy, and I took a buy, and this was where we left the market. Now we've come back again to check it, and we're seeing that that's smart. It has touched the take profit. Now what am I doing? What am I expecting next? I'm expecting the market to, now the market has tested here again. This is the first touch. My second touch will be for it to come down, go up a little bit, then come down here around, hit around this white place, this white point, and take a buy. This will not be to this point, which will be the high of the week, and that will be my TP1, and maybe probably my TP2 be here. So it's a very wonderful trade. GBP USD, it's a good trade. I'm looking forward to focusing on one particular pair or a few pairs, so I might not be doing running around or many pairs. I just focus on a few pairs and show how we can achieve the most from trading a pair using this my multi time frame strategies to analyze the market and find perfect entries to it. This is a very, very good and technically based strategy to trade market. It's purely theoretical. It's all about confluences meeting together, trend lines, the line, the highs and lows of the week lines, and also psychological levels. These are the three things that meet together for me to be able to take an entry. But I must wait for, before I take an entry, I must make sure the market gives me a double bottom or a double top. I must see two touches of a particular key level and around the confluence area. You can see this point where I took my entry from. You have this line here as a trend line. We have the low of the. Hello guys, back to this chart. The GBPUSD have been analyzing. I would say that confluence is very important. And when I mean confluences, I mean a point where the psychological levels and trend lines, as well as the highs and lows, meet, so as to give us a kind of a reasonable point to enter the market and to exit the market. So that has been the concept behind this multi-time frame analysis. When I say multi-time frame analysis, I mean I'm using different kind of time frames to actually find the best entry, and I start building up from the time H4. Then I set up with H4, and also then I use a 15 minutes time frame for my entries. So this is FX Smashing It. If you like what I'm about, please like, subscribe, and share. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.